Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to top up PayPal, so let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to our PayPal account, and as we're here, let's go to payment and receive payments, and then let's go to accounts, bank and cards. Just click here, and now that we're here, you can check that we have bank account or credit card. So we select the one that we prefer to add money from. So if you prefer your bank account, just click here and you can add here your information about your bank account as number of bank, your name, etc. And then you can associate it to your account. Now the money that from your bank account, if you prefer to add to PayPal, you can do it in that way. The other way to do it, it's by credit card or debit card. So just go to associate a card here and then just fill it with information request, that is your number of credit card or debit card, kind of card that you prefer, and date of beginning of expiration date, and then your security code. Then just click on associate card, and then this is ready for using and transfer money from your card to your PayPal account. So that's just how it works. I hope this information helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.